Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to online class. Social science, grade 9. In that economics, unit 3, we are going to see. Okay, unit 3, money and credit. Okay, before starting this lesson, once we can see what are the things we have learned. That economics lesson 1 and 2 I have completed. Isn't it? In that second lesson, Roman number 4, question number 4, I not marked, isn't it? That one I will mark in this end of this class. Okay, and Roman number 5, first question also, you want to see the guide and study. Surah guide, you want to buy that for that social. Okay, so today we can see money and credit. Money and credit. Okay, you all know what is money. Money makes many, isn't it? So, man with money is hero, man without money is zero. So, in this modern world, we all need money. Money is very, very important for us. Each and every person, money is very, very important, isn't it? Next, credit. What do you mean by credit? Tamil we will say kadan. Okay, if you want to buy anything, we need money, isn't it? We want to borrow something. Those who are having more money, we will borrow and we will buy the things like that. Money and credit. So, in this lesson, we are going to see only a few topics. Okay, introduction, barter system, and coins. Okay, introduction, barter system, and coins. And 3 questions also I am going to mark. Okay, students. So, please listen. First one, what are the objectives in this lesson? Here, about the barter system we want to know, and about money and various transaction of money also you want to know, and the role of RBI. RBI, what is the full form of RBI? Reserve Bank of India. About that also you will study in this lesson. And also various types of credit and beneficiary. Okay, what are the various types of credits and beneficiaries? About that only we are going to learn in this lesson. First one, introduction. So, money and credit. This lesson mostly deals with the evolution of money. Okay, about the evolution of money, how money was created. At first in the world, how the people was exchanging the things, how it has happened. Next, how this money has born, how it created. Okay, what is the importance of money? What are the functions of money? About these things in detail only you are going to learn. So, the evolution of money over the years and its functions. What's the meaning of evolution? Evolution means what? History of money. Okay. So, it also elucidates on the role of Reserve Bank of India. Okay. This money is also elucidate on the role of Reserve Bank of India. Okay. Next, for the foreign exchange also, what is very important? Money. Okay. So, for foreign exchange also, if you want to buy one things and you want to sell one thing, means also what is very important? Money. Okay. Next, it also explains how technological advancement have made banking easy and shift in today's world. Also, it explains because of money how technological advancement have made banking easy and shift in today's world. Okay. So, we all know what are the things we are using, it has one value, it has one money value, isn't it? What are the things we are using nowadays? For example, you can see if you want to buy milk, what we want to pay? We want to pay money, isn't it? So, what are the things? If you are keeping one person for work also, what we want to pay? A reward, money. For that labor, or we want to pay the wages, isn't it? So, money is very, very important. So almost all things used by man have a monetary value. Each and everything, even if you want to buy one pencil also, you want to pay money. If you want to buy one safety pin also, we want to pay money. Isn't it? So each and everything is considered with money. For example, if you want to pay for the labors, wages and service, all are fixed on the basis of money only. Next, tax. If you want to pay tax, how you want to pay? With the help of money. But there are different types of taxes also. Isn't it? House tax, water tax, land tax, service tax, like that different taxes. All these tax also paid with the help of money only. Okay, the taxes and duties also paid in the form of money. Okay. Next, in your home itself, if you take your family, you can see your parents are planning, isn't it? For monthly income, you are getting this much, means how much you want to spend, how much you want to save. Why they want to save? For their future purpose. Very clear? So, how much for monthly income? If they are getting monthly income, for example, we can say 25,000. Consider 25,000 monthly income they are getting as a salary, means how much we want to spend for the household articles, for your studies, like that and all, they will calculate. Okay, how much we want to save. Okay, next, expenditure, saving, payment of interest, etc. all are measured in terms of money only. Everything, each and everything is considered in the form of money. Okay, so not only at home but also in the world. Okay, both in the country and in the state also, each and everything, the budget is also considered in the form of money. Okay, not only at homes but also the budget of a country or state are also framed on the basis of money. So from this we can consider, which is very, very important, money is important. Okay. So the government as well as the private institutions and industry calculate their financial status through money. Okay, thus money plays a predominant and inseparable role in our lives. So in our lives, which is very, very important, money. Okay, so that only I have told, man with the money is hero, man without money is zero. Money makes many. Okay, so which is very important in our each and everyone's life, money. Okay, so at first imagine in olden days, before money was invented, how people has exchanged the things, how people live, in what way, what are the things they are doing. About that only we are going to learn now. That is the barter system. Barter system. What do you mean by barter system? Barter system means what? Giving one thing and getting another things. Okay. If they give one thing, they will get another thing. For example, in your home, you are having paddy, means you need salt. So, with the salt merchant, you are giving a little paddy and getting the salt. Okay. Next, if you need the vessel, then what you need, what you have, you are giving that things and you are getting that vessel. Like that, in olden days, it has considered, that is the barter system. Okay, instead of one thing, they are buying another thing, giving one thing and getting another thing. That is called as barter system. Okay. So, in olden days, we all know that a man has not used money at all. Isn't it? At first, they have no house, no shell, no home, like that. Even the early man, the history if you learn means, the early man, they have no dress, no house, no place, nothing. They are the nomads. They are moving from one place to another, isn't it? Later only, slowly only, they have find out that agriculture, cultivation, land and fire also later only they have invented. Okay. At first they have eat what? They hunt the animals and they eat the raw animals only. Then without cooking they will eat. the branches of the tree and the leaves of the tree only they will use as the dress. Okay, so later slowly only what will happen means this ancient man hunted and gathered foods, isn't it? Where they live? Mostly in caves and forests. But it slowly they have developed. How means they invented weapons. Weapons for axe, next sword, like that. Many weapons they have invented with the metals for hunting and gathering food. Later they invented fire also. By rubbing two stones, they will use the fire was caught, and like that they have invented and learned to practice agriculture also. Slowly they have cleared the ground, cutting down a forest and cultivate the crops. Okay, like that. Later he invented fire and learned to practice agriculture. He used mud. Afterwards, what happened means they used mud to build houses. Okay, at first they have no permanent house. Most of the people, old people, that are people and are living inside the caves and forest only. Later only they build house with the help of mud. Okay, and settle down in a place, and also to make earthenware. What is the meaning of earthenware? Pots. Okay. With the help of mud, they will prepare many vessels. That is called earthenware. In Tamil, we will say mud pantangal. Are you clear? So, what happened means, when the agricultural yield was high, they are cultivating the land, isn't it? They are getting more things. And they have made handicraft. When there are surplus in agriculture produce and other articles like earthenware, they exchange it with people who needed them. Okay. So, they have cultivated the crops. From that cultivation, they are getting more yield. For example, if they are cultivating paddy, means they are getting more paddy. At the same time, they know how to prepare the pot also. So, with the help of these two things, they will exchange it to people. Those who need, they will buy that and they will give their own things. For example, if a commodity had excess foodstuff, they would exchange with that those who have excess pot. Okay, likewise, do you think whether it is a correct measurement? No. Yes, right? So, likewise, when a particular grain grew in abundance in a region, it was exchanged for different crop in another region. Okay, if one particular crop was grown more, for example, if apple was grown more means, they can exchange it for another things. That means banana they did means they can give apple and get banana. Okay, so this exchange through a barter system can be termed as the first form of trade. So they may ask one word question, which is termed as the first form of trade? The exchange through barter system. Okay, the articles which are exchanged through barter system can be termed as the first form of trade. Are you clear? What do you mean by barter system? Barter system means what? Exchanging things for another things. Okay, next one is the coins. So, which is the first form of money? That is the metal. Which is the first form of money? Man has invented the first form of money, that is the metal, coin. Okay, there are different coins, isn't it? So, what happened means, the barter system flourished whenever civilized thrived. This system was active not only within a civilization but also among civilization. So, what happened? Slowly, at first, they have exchanged the things within their country, inside their country, within themselves. Slowly, they have changed it to another country also, with other people also. Okay, this was the initial form of the international trade. Slowly, they have given the things to other country, neighboring countries, and get the things from other country. Like that only the trade has, international trade has developed. Now, during this, can you see this picture? There are different coins. Okay, old coins. In olden days, the people has used. For example, 1 anna, 2 anna, 10 pies, isn't it? 5 pies, like that. These coins are made up of metals, copper, bronze. Even king has used this gold also, gold, silver coins also they have used to exchange the system. Okay. So, during archaeological excavation in Egypt and Iraq, articles used during the Indus Valley civilization were excavated. Okay. Next, as years went on, there were issues formed in barter system. There some problem arise in the barter system. What was the problem? Do you know? Day by day, years. For example, we can say one man is preparing pot means another man is preparing paddy. The same man, one who is preparing pot, he is having paddy also. So he no need paddy. So what happened? There should be some problem arise in exchanging the goods. Okay. So the person who had pots and other utensils was not in need of paddy. This the need of many people were not fulfilled. So they knew no need this paddy. Because one who is doing the pot, that same person is having paddy. But one who is having paddy, they need pot. If they want to buy pot, they want to give some paddy and they want to buy, isn't it? So what will happen? This pot man no need paddy because they have already paddy. Then how they will exchange? So some problem arises. Okay. So the measuring the quantity and value of goods exchange were found very difficult. So it is very, very difficult to exchange the things. Because of this problem arise only, what will happen? There arise some standard value. Okay, to solve these problems, they fix a common item with a standard value for the effective exchange of goods. It was usually in the form of some metal. So that only after that only, this they have found the metal. Okay, they have found the metals to exchange. So the metals were rare to find and could be maintained for a long time and never lost their value. So this they have considered this metal as their exchange system. So the metal can be termed as the first form of money. They may ask one word question, which is the first form of money? Metals. Okay, which is the first form of money? Metal. Okay. So during this rule, one Mughal king, Sher Shah, he has issued a coin of silver. Okay, at first he issued a coin in 1540 to 1546. During his rule only, he has issued one coin, silver coin. How much weight? 178 gram. It was termed as rupaya. Okay, the silver coin remained in use during the Mughal period, the Maratha era and in the British India as well. So it was spread through this Maratha and the British India also. So, which is the first metal which is the first form of money? That is the metal. Okay, so these may be the reason why metal were chosen. Later, what happened? Gold, silver and copper were the metals used first. Okay. They were called ancient currency. So there is one question. Which metal was considered as ancient currency? That is gold, silver, copper. Okay. Copper, chembu. Gold, silver and copper were the metals used first. They were called ancient currency. Okay. During the barter system, what are the things they have exchanged means? Leather, beads, shells, tobacco, salt, corn and even slaves. Slaves, people. were exchanged as barter. Like that, many economists has done, say. During olden days, what are the things they have exchanged for the barter system? Means that this is also another one question. What are the Roman number 4, third question, maybe I'm thinking, that is, what were the items used as barter during olden days? That is, leather, beads, shells, tobacco, salt, corn, and even slaves were exchanged as barter, okay, during the olden days. Very clear? So the later Cholas allowed the traders to have their own army also. Historical evidence state that during this period, small traders and producers were credited to the Tamil traders to support their export need. So what happened? Later Cholas, they have allowed the traders to have their own army. Okay, according to the evidence, historical evidence, during this period, small traders and producers gave credited to the Tamil trade. Credited means what? Kadan kodupadu. To the Tamil traders for what purpose? To support their export need. If they want to export the things, they have given some amount of money in the form of metal. Okay, this much today's portion. Now we can mark these answers. Only 3 small answers I will mark and give, that only the study portion also. Roman number 4, give short answers 1, 2 and 3. Okay, first one, why was money invented? Why was money invented? That is page number 301. Page number 301. Under the heading coins, third para. Below the picture you can see, as years went by, there were issues found in barter system. Up to that, next from there, 6th line, measuring the quantity and value of goods exchange. Next line, to solve these issues, they fixed a common item with a standard value for the effective exchange of goods. It was usually in the form of some metal. Next, second line from there, the metals can be termed as the first form of money. Okay, this much first question answer. Once again, I am reading, listen. As years went by, there were issues found in barter system. And measuring the quantity and value of goods exchanged. To solve these issues, they fixed a common item with a standard value for the effective exchange of goods. It was usually in the form of some metal. The metals can be termed as the first form of money. Okay. Next, second question, what is ancient money? That is page number 301. On the right side, second line, gold, silver and copper were the metals used first. They were called ancient currency. Okay, next third question, what were the items used as barter during olden days? That also page number 301. Now you mark second question, no, below that. Leather, beads, shells, tobacco, salt, corn and even slaves were exchanged as barter during olden days. Okay, are you clear? So these 3 questions only today's study portion. So please students study thoroughly and write and see. Okay, for this social you want to buy one Surah Guide 2020-21 edition. Okay, thank you students.